Okay, today we're going to talk about pockets. What can we do with them, what they are, and why use them at all. So, okay, let's say you want to carve a hole into a block or your material. And we have a curve here. Pockets work with curves. And let's say in that curve that we just want a pocket operation. So I already started an operation called pocket, and the object is going to be my oval. So it needs a curve, and or it could be text. So the different options for the strategy is pocket. Start point is going to be the middle. Let's make it larger here. See if we, yeah. And distance between toolpath is going to be 1.5 millimeter, and it gives me a cutter engagement of 42% because I'm using a 3.175 millimeter bit. So if I was going to use a 3 millimeter distance between toolpath, the cutter engagement is 94%. Now you shouldn't be using a full cutter engagement unless you know what you're doing. So 50% is usually what I use. Larger than that can cause all sorts of trouble. So for pocketing, use less than 50%. So here we'll use 1 millimeter, giving me a 31% cutter engagement. Now, besides that, there's another option, pocket to curve. But we'll see that a little later. So let's try. Oh. I hid my objects here. It's better that we see them. Okay, so let's calculate that and see what happens. Okay, so yeah, my options were to calculate at a certain depth in layers, step down of 10 millimeter. So if we use a step down of 15 millimeter, let's say your material can or cutter and drill can handle that. I'm going to calculate it again. It's relatively fast and painless. And so it's going to drill a hole, and right now I have an object in the way, so let's make it disappear because it's not really important right now. So the test block is here, and it's going to yeah, just make a pocket really deep, and so we can simulate this. And right, there we go. So if I remove the actual cam, that's exactly what I want. So let's hide the simulation again and delete the cam path. And what if I want to make a pocket but make it collide with my test block of earlier? Well, I don't really want to make a limit curve. We could do that. I want the pocket pattern, because the pocket pattern goes around my curve and the edges are all going to be clean. So we have a pocket to curve here option, and it's going to make the same pattern but calculate it as a curve. Now my curve is down here. Oh, my curve is down here. Oh, we can raise it to 50 millimeter. Alright, so what if I want to make my pattern to go here? I go 3 pockets. This is just a curve at this point. So my object is going to be my test block, but my curve source is going to be 3D pockets. Because this was generated by the pocket when I said pocket to curve. So let's see what the options are in there. I don't know if I set them. Carve depth 1 millimeter. Project to surface. I need use a 60 millimeter for here. Operation at 50. Stop at 0. Now this is not realistic because the drill bits are not that long, but anyway, we'll see. Calculate that. Right now it's using OpenCamLib. Alright, so you see that my pocket follows my the collision of my my test cube. So if I delete the original curve, then I get this shape, and if I simulate that operation, and remove the test cube, then I would get a pocket of exactly what I want inside. Now, as far as the details and things, depends on the bit and the tool you're using. Right now, this is an end mill, so it shouldn't be used. Oh, it's a ball nose. So if you use a ball nose, it should be all right. It's very interesting to see what we can do, what kind of finish we can get using this combination of strategies. So in order to keep the video short, we will I'll make other videos of different capabilities. We are continuously improving Blendercam right now. It was revived recently. We are users who have been working on it for since in a year we've made a tremendous progress. Bas-relief or the relief was improved greatly. The different options are improved for different functionalities. You might even find some functionality of your own that we haven't thought of. So because of that, we welcome your input. We have a channel on the Matrix. It's Blendercam on the Matrix. You can chat with us. We welcome your suggestions and opinions. And if you have a comment, leave them in the comment section. You can subscribe to my channel. I'll be adding some more functionality, specific things with Blendercam in a short time. And if you have any questions about functionality, I might make a quick video and send it up on YouTube. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.